Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Students, now we will continue your previous exercise. Okay, so let's start question number 7. Find the area of the shaded portion. That means जो ये shaded portion है आपको इसका area find करना है. Is that clear students? So students, as you all know that this is a square. Okay students, and this is the 1/4 part of a circle. And this is also, and this is also. Is that clear? Okay, so students, first of all we find the area of this square. Okay, so area of this square, yes, square का area क्या होगा? So that will be side into side. Okay students, so that will be 21 into 21, that will be 441 centimeter square. Okay students, so that is the area of this square. Now we will find the area of this portion, this. Okay, means जो ये सर्कल का 1/4 पार्ट है, इसका एरिया अगर अब हम फाइंड कर दे तो इस टोटल एरिया में से अगर ये एरिया माइनस कर दे सो आपके पास ओनली ये शेडेड पोर्शन बच जाएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ द एरिया ऑफ द फर्स्ट पोर्शन. स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू ऑल नो दैट this is the 1/4 of the circle. This is also 1/4 of a circle. This is also 1/4 of a circle. This is also 1/4 of a circle. Okay, just suppose one circle is there, so 1/4 of one circle, and this is also 1/4 of one circle. This is also 1/4 of one circle, and this is also 1/4 of one circle. Okay, so we can solve it. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay students, so that will be 4/4 and that will be 1. Okay students, so that means one circle is here. Okay, is that clear? That means अगर इसके 1/4 इसके 1/4 ये 1/4 ये 1/4 इन सब 1/4 को ऐड कर दे तो प्रॉपर एक सर्कल बन जाएगा. ओके, सो मीन्स हमें क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, इस टोटल स्क्वायर के एरिया में से एक सर्कल का एरिया माइनस कर देना है तो आपके पास ये आ जाएगा शेडेड पोर्शन. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, सो नाउ एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल. ओके, एक सर्कल का एरिया क्या होगा यहाँ पर? यस, दैट विल बी पाई स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. ओके, वेयर आर इज, यस स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज द आर हेयर? यस, आर मीन्स this is r. Okay, and if total is 21 centimeter and it is half of this side, so that will be here r is 21/2. Okay students, because this is the diameter of this circle. Okay, half is side and half is side. Okay, so student, that is the 21/2 and we can write as 10.5 centimeter. Okay, is that clear? So we have pi r square. Okay, so we will put the value of r and pi, that is 22/7. R is here 10.5 into 10.5. Okay, so we can replace this decimal point by 10 and this is also. Okay students, 5 से कट कीजिए, 5 2 से 10, 5 2 से 10, 5 1 से 5, 5 2 से 10, 5 2 से 10, 5 1 से 5. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो 7 3 ज़ा 21, 2 से कट कर दीजिए 11 टाइम्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव 11 इंटू 3 इंटू 21. ओके, अपॉन 2. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव 11 3 ज़ा 33 इंटू 21 अपॉन 2. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी हैव 21 3 ज़ा 63, then 6 carry, 21 3 ज़ा 63, then 69 upon 2. Now we further calculate, that is 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, and that is 2 6 is 12, and that is 2 5 is 10. Okay students, so that is the area of this circle. Okay, that means that is the area of a circle. Okay, means यहाँ से जो एक सर्कल बन जाता है हमने क्या किया, उसके एरिया को माइनस कर दिया. ओके, सो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड पोर्शन, yes, total area is here, area of square minus area of circle. Okay students, so area of square is here 441 area of circle is here 46.5. Okay, so calculate it. So students, we have 94.5, okay, centimeter square. So that is the area of this shaded portion. Is that clear? Okay. Now the next part is B. Okay students, so that is here, that is 28 centimeter and that is 28 centimeter, and student, this is the 21 centimeter. Students, as you can see here, this is a 1/4 part of a circle. Okay, अगर मैं इसे complete कर दूँ इस side से भी and इस side से भी, so students ये एक circle draw हो जाएगा. So ये circle का 1/4 part है. Is that clear? Okay students, so here outer radius of a outer circle, that is outer radius of a outer circle, that is 28 centimeter. Okay student, center से circumference तक के distance क्या होती है? Radius. So that is 28 centimeter. Okay, we can write as capital R. Okay, and inner radius of a inner circle, student, that is small r, that will be 21 centimeter. Okay, is that clear? So students, here that is the 1/4 part of a circle. Okay students, so students, first of all we find the area of the outer circle and then find the area of the inner circle, and then what will be here? Yes students, 1/4 part of this circle. Okay students, so here area of outer circle, yes student, that is pi capital R square. Okay students, so here pi, that is 22/7 into r, that is 28 multiplied by 28. Okay, because that is the square here. Okay students, here 7 4s are 28. So we have 22 into 4, that is 88, and that is 28. Okay students, so we will multiply here, that is 2464 centimeter square. So student, that is the area of the outer circle. Okay, now we will find the area of this inner circle, that is radius is 21 centimeter. Okay, so let's find it. So students, now area of inner circle. Okay students, जो inner circle है उसका area क्या होगा? That will be here pi and small r square. Okay students, so small r is here, that is 21, and square, that will be 21 here also. Okay, so here 7 3s are 21, 22 into 3, that is 66 into 21. Okay, so now we have 1386 centimeter square. So student, that is the area of inner circle. Okay, now area of the shaded portion, that will be students 1/4 part of area of outer circle and students area of inner circle. ओके, दैट मीन्स जो ये शेडेड पोर्शन का एरिया है वो क्या है? 1/4 पार्ट है किसका? एरिया ऑफ आउटर सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ इनर सर्कल. ओके, सो दैट विल बी हेयर 1/4 and area of outer circle, that will be 2464 and that is 1386. Okay, so students, we have 1/4 and that is 14 minus 6, that is 8, that is 5, 15 minus 8, that is 7, and that is 3 minus 3, that is 0, and 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, so students, we can calculate it, and after calculate we get 269.5 centimeter square. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay students, that means ये इसका answer होगा. Okay, any doubt here? Okay students, now the next part is C. Okay students, this is the figure for C part. Students, as you all know that this is the rectangle. Here length is 50 centimeter and breadth is 14 centimeter. Okay, and then this is a half of a circle. Okay, that means ये एक सर्कल का हाफ है, क्योंकि हम इस सर्कल को कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं अगर इसका ये पोर्शन भी ड्रॉ कर दे. Okay student, but that is a half of this circle. Okay students, so first of all we find the area of this rectangle and then we will find the area of a half circle, then we will subtract, then we will the shaded portion here. Okay, so area of the rectangle that will be here length into breadth. So student, that is length and that is breadth. Okay, so a length is here 50 and breadth is here 14 and 14 5 is 70. So that is the area of this rectangle. Now we will find the area of this circle. Okay, so now area of the half of this circle. Okay students, and half means 1/2. And what is the area of circle? That is pi r square. Okay students, so student, just suppose it is the diameter of this circle. So student, what is the radius here? Yes, if diameter is 14, so students, radius is here, that is 14/2, that means 7 centimeter. Okay, so students, here 1/2 and that is pi, that is 22/7, and r is here 7 into 7. Okay, because of square. Okay, 1 7 cancel by this, and this is 11. So students, we have 11 into 7, that is 77. Okay, so that is the area of the half of this circle. Now we find the area of the shaded portion. So now area of the shaded portion. So students, that will be area of rectangle and minus area of the half of the circle. Okay students, दैट मीन्स मैंने आपको बताया हुआ है कि जब भी हमें शेडेड एरिया फाइंड करना हो तो टोटल में से अनशेडेड एरिया को हम सबट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. ओके, सो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल दैट इज 700 and area of half of the circle that is 77. So that means 10 minus 7, that is 3, and that is 9 minus 7, that is 2, and that is 6. So 623 centimeter square is the area of the shaded portion. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay students, now your exercise has completed, and students, if you have any query in this exercise, so you can comment to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.